Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Audio Technica 80 LP60 has no sound, this can be due to a lot of settings, sometimes loose connections and setup issues. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix it step by step. So first of all, you need to check the switch on the back. So there will be two types of switch. So first of all, there will be phono and the second one would be of line. So here you can use line for powered speakers and aux inputs. You need to use phono for amplifier with phono inputs. If there is wrong settings or if you have put it into the wrong socket, there is no or very little sound will be there. So you need to make sure that it is set to either phono or line and make sure that you switch it correctly. Now you need to make sure that your speakers or the amps are also powered on, set to the correct input, and also the volume is turned up. The turntable itself doesn't control the volume, so you need to take a look at the red and white RCA cables as well. Ensure that they are plugged in tightly and in correct ports. The loose cables often cause no audio. Now, even after doing these simple settings, if none of the methods are working for you, you can also just simply press the start button and let the tone arm move. This model won't produce sound until playback actually begins. So you can also try connecting a different speakers or input. This is going to help identify whether the issue is the turntable or the audio system. So you can try these easy fixes one by one and see if your Audio Technica 80 LP60 has the sound again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.